In this quick guide, you'll learn how to delete a contact in Pipedrive. Whether you're cleaning up your database or simply removing outdated information, and knowing how to delete contacts is an essential skill for maintaining an organized CRM. Let's dive right in and make sure you can handle this process smoothly. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to pipedrive.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage everything from deals to contacts and much more. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for the one labeled Contacts. This section is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing the individuals and organizations you're working with. Click on Contacts to proceed. You'll now be presented with a list of all your contacts. Take a moment to locate the specific contact you want to delete. Remember, this action will permanently remove the contact from your database, so double check to ensure you're selecting the correct one. Once you've identified the contact you wish to delete, hover over their name. You'll notice a small icon with three dots appearing to the right of the contact's details. This icon represents additional options for managing that particular contact. Click on the three dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu provides you with various actions you can take, but for today, we're focused on deleting. Look through the options until you find Delete. Click on it. At this point, Pipedrive will prompt you to confirm your decision. This is an important step because deleting a contact is irreversible. Once you confirm, the contact, along with all associated data, will be permanently erased from your Pipedrive account. If you're absolutely certain, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a contact from Pipedrive. Remember, keeping your contact list up to date and relevant is crucial for effective CRM management. Deleting unnecessary or outdated contacts can help streamline your workflow and improve your overall efficiency. If you ever find yourself needing to delete multiple contacts, the same principle applies. Simply repeat these steps for each contact you wish to remove. It's a straightforward process, but one that can significantly impact the way you manage your customer relationships. Thanks for tuning in to this quick guide on deleting contacts in Pipedrive. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out other resources for more tips and tricks on optimizing your CRM experience. Happy organizing!